Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Pilkesh and I wish you a great day ahead. So आजकल बहुत बारिश हो रहा है, पता नहीं क्यों. It's already October now, but अभी भी काफ़ी बारिश हो रहा है. But I do have plans ahead for the day. So anyway, I gotta go. So I wore this dress that has come as a PR, and I'm so glad and blessed that even with such less followers, you know, फिर भी ब्रांड्स मेरे साथ काम करने के लिए अग्री कर रहे हैं. समटाइम्स आई डू रीच आउट टू देम एंड समटाइम्स दे रीच आउट टू मी फॉर माई एस्थेटिक्स मोस्टली, विच इज़ ग्रेट. इसका मतलब मैं कुछ तो सही कर रही हूँ. एंड ऑल्सो गिव मी अ फॉलो इन इंस्टाग्राम, दैट वुड बी ग्रेट. आई विल बी ग्लैड. And we came to Zudio actually. I had some work other than just the shoot. I had to get some essentials from Zudio like bra and undergarment, ये सब. तो मैं वो सब ली. उसके बाद we got these two softies that I really love. Come on, sometimes you need to forget your calories. So yeah, I'm having my softie and this is the most favorite part that I really love. So after having a softie we went ahead. मुझे एक्चुअली किचन के लिए थोड़ा प्लांट्स वगैरह चाहिए था शूट के लिए, बट आई डिडंट गेट एनी. एंड देन आई ऑल्सो नीडेड सम फ्लावर्स बिकॉज मैं हर वीक लेती हूँ और मुझे अच्छा लगता है एक्चुअली. और ये जो 3 काइंड ऑफ फ्लावर्स मैं लेती हूँ वो आराम से पूरा हफ्ता चला जाता है. एक्चुअली यू नो फ्रेशनेस तो नहीं रहता है, बट देन फिर भी इट लुक्स प्रीटी गुड. मुरझा नहीं जाता, पूरा एकदम डेड नहीं हो जाता. And then after that, whether it's weekend or week, you'll always find me near some grocery store, some vendors, फूल या फिर सब्जी वगैरह खरीदते हुए. आफ्टर दैट हम लोग शूट किए एंड देन आई एम वेरी ग्लैड दैट ही शॉट मी दिस वीडियो. दिस हैज़ कम आउट रियली नाइस. फिर हम लोग घर निकले. So basically these are the few clips from the days of the last week and I have just merged them and I'm sharing with you guys because मैं बहुत busy थी and I couldn't really shoot a full day vlog. वो नहीं हो पा रहा था. So मैं छोटा छोटा करके हर दिन जो भी मैं कर रही हूँ वो सब clips add करके I'm trying to make a vlog out of it. So yeah, these are like the raw images from my last raw videos from my last week. Whatever that I did, I'm sharing with you guys. So if you really like my videos, the last ones, and if you're enjoying it so far, do not forget to like, share, subscribe and support this girl. I am pretty sure I'm very late on this platform. I don't know if it's the right time, but अगर इस प्लेटफॉर्म में आ गई हूँ इसका मतलब कुछ ना कुछ तो सही करी हूँ. मतलब दिल से आई हूँ तो कुछ तो अच्छा ही है. प्लस टेकिंग वीडियोस कम्स वेरी नेचुरली टू मी. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है लाइक कैप्चरिंग वीडियोस एंड मेकिंग मेमोरीज आउट ऑफ इट. आई डोंट नो व्हाई आई हैव नेवर स्टार्टेड दिस चैनल वे बैक. आई शुड हैव स्टार्टेड दिस बैक इन द लॉकडाउन एंड आई डिडंट. एंड उस टाइम मैं एक्चुअली स्टडीज़ कर रही थी लाइक फॉर द स्टडीज़. सो आई couldn't really manage to open up this channel. And उस टाइम actually could have been the best time because उस टाइम family time ज़्यादा था. There would have been like really nice things to capture. But then I was so busy with my studies at that time. मैं इतना self doubt में जा रही थी. Like it was lockdown. I was not working. I was still studying my bachelor's, and in the meantime I was also pursuing my further studies ऐसा because that was like a great chance. मतलब ऐसे बेकार बैठे हुए रहने से अच्छा है. I thought कि I could have studied further, so I did that. And it's always fine. Like मैं थोड़ा लेट से ही इधर आई, but it's always better late than never, right? So here I am. And I'm really looking forward to all the love support from you guys and also interaction in the comment section ताकि मुझे समझ आए if you guys are liking the videos or not, or maybe if I could improve in some ways or the other, or there could be a series that you would like me to begin with. So all of that. I know I'm pretty much new to this channel, but मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है ये सब करने में. So yeah. So after that मैं lunch किया करके सो गई थी actually. It was a weekend maybe. I do not remember the days. So yeah. उसके बाद रात को I thought of making some khichdi because it was raining outside again. Very suddenly it started raining. Like a few minutes back, a few hours back actually, it was not raining. It was pretty dry and fine, sunny and all of that, and suddenly it started raining. weird, but it's alright. Calls for khichdi, so I am making some khichdi. Basic, my style, no traditional manner here. I'm a bachelor, I just make my food just the easy way. ज़्यादा देर तक ताकि मुझे किचन में ना रहना पड़े. So I always find ways to cook my food faster, easier, healthier, without compromising on the taste. And I really like a lot of vegetables in my khichdi. Yes, I am your mom's favorite. I'm that kid who loves vegetables. So I really like putting a lot of vegetables in my khichdi, to the quantity of my rice and dal, which is bare minimum. So I like it because I like to mash it all up and eat it. I'm putting lots of chilies because it's just for me and not for my boyfriend. So I'm just going to eat this for the next 2 days. Yeah. Basically, whenever I make something for myself, I kind of batch prep for the next 2 days ताकि मेरा काम आसान हो जाए and I do not really focus on the kitchen much rather than my work. So yeah, that makes work and life balance a little better. Yeah. So while I was cooking, Millie was right there, so I had to entertain her a little bit with her toys, and she went back to her toys and forgot me. So yeah. वैसे मैं क्या बनाई? I have put all the vegetables of my choice, dal and rice, to the boil with some salt, and meanwhile I'm just peeling some garlic. कुछ मैं स्टोर करके रख लूँगी और कुछ इसमें स्मैश करके डालूँगी along with some ginger as well. And yeah, वैसे आई हैव पुट द होल खिचड़ी थिंग टू द बॉयल. अभी मैं जब मैं तड़का लगाऊंगी ना तो एक ही पॉट में बनाऊंगी. आई एम नॉट taking out too many dishes to cook and then wash later. It's just one कढ़ाई जिसमें boil हो रहा है. Once the boil is done, I'll shift it to another utensil जिसमें रहेगा खाना, and then उसी कढ़ाई में I'll just make the masala for the khichdi, and I'll put the khichdi back, cook for a little while, and then shift to the utensil that I'm supposed to store in. So yeah, so the onions are chopped. Now it's time to smash the garlic and ginger together. मैं paste बना सकती थी, but then I do not want to use another utensil and wash it later and regret why did I do that. So इसीलिए just to be hassle free, I smashed the garlic and ginger. और इतना बर्तन धोते धोते कपड़ा भी गंदा हो जाता है. It's almost a year that I am doing YouTube and I have been complaining to myself, get an apron, get an apron, get an apron. I'm never getting an apron. I'm never getting the gloves, nothing. Oh my god. And I'm always cleanly drying up my hands with the hand towel or my clothes. And I keep complaining to my mom as well, like ये खरीद लो वो खरीद लो. मैं खुद ही नहीं खरीदती हूँ. Just imagine. So anyway, the boil is over. मैं उसको shift कर दी. अभी कढ़ाई में मैं थोड़ा सा mustard oil डाली हूँ. I'm going to put some jeera in it, and then I'm going to put onions. I'm going to saute it really well till it browns up. And उसके बाद मैं डालूँगी the mashed garlic and ginger, and उसको अच्छे से पकाएंगे. I'm just going to put some basic spices, haldi, लाल मिर्च, coriander powder, and saute it really well. Meanwhile, I'm also adding another tomato because why not? Just to thicken up the gravy, before adding my protein. Protein source यहाँ पे है soybean. Recently, I'm having a lot of soybean, soya granules, soya keema, because generally it's a good protein and good for women's health जिसको PCOS है इस सब कंट्रोल करने के लिए. Overall it's a good source of protein. You can look up to Google to get more ideas on the benefits that this soya chunks holds, so that you have better idea. So look up to it. And that's the scene. This is how much it's raining, like it's a lot. पता नहीं कैमरा में उतना कैप्चर नहीं हो रहा है because I'm shooting from my phone, so that's why. So after the masala has been done and cooked with soya bean, I poured the boiled khichdi back in and made me some omelette. And that's the stormy rainy scene outside. And here's the dinner. And I'm watching some Govyang videos and having my food. It's amazing. I really like to mash everything up. And there she is, watching me have my food, watching me go to toilet, watching me sleep. She is watching me all day, every day, every single time. And this is the next day and it's so cute. She's on her heat. मतलब उसको भी पीरियड हो रहा है. दिस इज़ लाइक मेरी सेकेंड पीरियड एक साल में. So she's growing really fast. So after feeding her, brushing my teeth, having my water, I am heading to bazaar to get some vegetables. Let's see what I can bring because my fridge is quite literally empty. And yeah, so I got some fruits, some veggies, chicken and fish for stocking my fridge up. And yeah, that's it. तो अभी मैं मिल्क का खाना लगा दी with vegetables and chicken. While that is on the boil, I am making actually मैं इसको पील कर रही हूँ. उसको क्या बोलते हैं? पोमेलो. बंगाली में बाताबी नींबू बोलते हैं बंगाली में. Amazing. I just love it. It's like a bomb for vitamin C. It's amazing. मुझे तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा पसंद है. Especially back in the days when I was really small, a kid, we used to actually put chilies, garlic, mash it up and then eat it. But now I don't like it. मेरा chili का tolerance एकदम ख़त्म हो गया है. So I do not like putting chilies anymore. So yeah, I'm just going to simply have it with some salt and that's it. And there's Gamcha in the background. Oh my god, me and my obsession with Gamcha is a reality. When मतलब back जब मैं कोरोना के टाइम था लॉकडाउन में, ओह माय गॉड आई वाज सो फैंसी. मतलब मुझे वाइट टॉवल ही चाहिए. मुझे यू नो दैट सिंगल कलर टॉवल, द थिक ones I really like. But for now my obsession is real with Gamcha. It might change again. You know, on a random day I'm going to some store and getting some fancy towels. You never know, my mood shifts like anything. So yeah, I somehow peeled my somehow peeled my pomelo. I did not cry. Now I'm enjoying it. And I also ordered some snacks from Blinkit. I'm actually craving a lot of milk coffees, so lactose-free milk, Bauli, because I don't know, I'm craving it, so I couldn't control it, so I ordered it. So there's some snacks, milk, atta, raw turmeric, orange amla. सच बोलूँ तो जब तक मैं ये कर रही हूँ मैं ऑलरेडी कॉफ़ी लगा दी सो दैट आई कैन हैव इट विद दिस बाउली. ओह माय गॉड. एंड आई एम एक्चुअली वाचिंग सम गिवली vlog. I'm so obsessed with YouTube and vlogs, my god, more than Instagram, I can't even tell you. So then I cooked some chicken curry with eggs in it. I don't know why, but then I felt like adding, so I did. And then खाना खा के मैं काम में लग गई तो मुझे समझ में भी नहीं आया when to vlog, how to manage vlogging while walking. For around 4:30 I felt like having my pomelo because it's already cold and I love a good cold pomelo with some salt. And this is this pahadi namak I got from Amazon. They have amazing flavors of both ginger, garlic and the mix of both flavor, and it's amazing. I can already spot one hair in my vessel, but then please do not gross out. It's a clean hair, it's my hair, why do bother, it's all right. होता है लड़कियों का ये चीज़. So don't gross out, it's all right. I'm not going to eat the hair, rather I'm just going to eat the pomelo. And I'm so happy. I wait for this pomelo season. Like I'm so crazy for pomelo or orange. I just love them. It's amazing. These days I had like a really hard time to vlog. I couldn't manage it at all. That's yum. Another thing, उस दिन शाम को the sky was so pink, like you can literally see. I've never witnessed such beautiful sky. I quickly went upstairs and I captured it. You know why Millie is looking at me like that and under the table? It's because we are eating some samosas with some chai. I did not make this chai. I just got up from work, so we just simply ordered chai from T Junction and some samosas as well. And then some other day, on the next day, the kurti that I'm wearing is a PR again. Basically, जो brand था उनका demand ये था कि wear this kurti while you're working at home because this is a cotton kurti. One can really pull off this kurti from day to night. So I'm supposed to show it that way. पहले प्रिटेंड कर रही थी, फिर बाद में याद आया मेरा तो सच में काम है, तो कैमरा लगा ही लेती हूँ और जो नेचुरली हो रहा है उसको रिकॉर्ड करते हैं. विल कट इट ऑफ जहाँ पे ज़रूरत होगा. एंड देन या we'll merge it with the actual video later. So that finally worked for the brand. So we went ahead with the video. So you guys can really check it out on Instagram. It has turned out really nice. Do comment as well, that would be great. इसका मतलब मुझे समझ में आ रहा है जो भी आप लोग देख रहे हो आपको मेरा vlogs पसंद आ रहा है. And come on, interact with me on Instagram so that I can love Instagram a little more. Otherwise these days Instagram is just being a bitch, to be honest. कोई engagement नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है. So anyway, come talk to me कमेंट सेक्शन में, इंस्टाग्राम में, यूट्यूब में आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा कि नहीं. जस्ट लेट मी नो यार. सो द होल डे पास जस्ट लाइक दैट इन अ blink. And the very next day I gave Millie a good wash because she was a little stinky girl, so I gave her a wash first thing in the morning. Before I even brushed my teeth, I just had to give her a bath so that I'm done with her things. एंड उसके बाद आई कैन फोकस ऑन माई सेल्फ कम्प्लीटली. तो उसको नहाने के बाद आई फेड हर एंड gave her medicine that she's supposed to take, like multivitamins and all like that. So that's basically what the week looked like in small and short clips that is merged together. And thank you guys for watching this video so far. Pooja is also here. Wish you all a happy Pujo, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe and follow me on Instagram. Till then, see you guys soon. Bye bye.